National Weather Service in Norman has issued a fire warning at the request of Oklahoma Forestry Services for eastern King County. At 5:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 3 miles west of Oilton, moving rapidly northeast. Areas impacted, rural areas southeast of Yale. Additional information, smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property on area roadways. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including a wind-driven and torching fire.